Hi, Glenn Ingram here, the web accessibility guy. So I am asked this question often. Do I have to worry about lawsuits for ADA compliance because I'm a small business? Aren't they going to sue large businesses first? Well, the answer to the last part of that question is yes, but those lawsuits started 5 years ago in 2015. So, what are we seeing now in 2021 with regards to lawsuits for website accessibility? Well, we're seeing a combination of things. We're seeing larger companies still being sued. We're seeing smaller companies still being sued. To the extent there was a lawsuit in either March or April that was a mom's blog that was literally sued. Some of the companies that we've come in contact with over the last year: gelato company, a podiatrist, a law firm, several e-com stores, restaurants, hotels, auto repair. So, what is the reality of who is liable and needs to be concerned about ADA compliant websites in 2021? Well, we kind of all have to be, because the reality of it is there are people that are using this to generate revenue. They may think they're doing it for the greater good. I'm not here to tell you what their beliefs are or are not. I just know that there are case law, that means lawsuits that have basically created laws based on precedents that says your website has to be compliant with the Americans with Disabilities Act. And there are states like California that have instilled what's called the Unruh Act, sections 51 and 52, that went into effect December 1st, 2018. So 3 years ago, I'm sorry, January 1st, 2018, 3 years ago, that say it's discrimination if your website does not work for someone with disabilities. And the reality of it is 98% of websites don't work. So if you are a company that has a website that's getting quite a bit of visibility, so on the first page or two of Google, you should be concerned. If you're someone that's doing marketing or advertising, you should be concerned. If you're someone that's just out conducting business with the general public and could possibly upset someone, you should be concerned. So, in this day and age, every website needs to work for people with disabilities, with the exception of churches, at least federally. Um, so, make your website accessible, make it compliant. Work with someone that truly knows how to do it from the code or the base function of your website, as that's the only way to protect you and make sure that your website works for the 1 out of 5 of us in the country that has one form of a long term disability or another. I hope this was helpful. Have a good day.